Harry Potter.
I need to take a screenshot of this. We get anywhere we've seen it when it's in the cast.
Yeah.
We just leave.
All right. So it's fancy night. First fancy night on this 7-day cruise. Got the beautiful Alma getting ready for fancy night. You know, hey, it is what it is. How many drinks are we in, baby?
10.
10 drinks. And it's like 5:30. I mean, come on. I mean, party on the vacay. I mean, it is what it is. Ain't nothing like it. You can drink anytime. So, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go to fancy night, all dressed up, eat us some good food, and then we're gonna drink the other 5 drinks. And
That's all we got.
because that's all we got. After that, who knows? Pirate pizza or bed. I mean, we'll figure it out. So, anywho.
I ain't got a fucking clue, but I'm gonna be here.
I'm a real bad liar. I'm a virtuous kind of guy. And if I try to build a fire, I'll burn down the woods. Ain't a mover or stay.
Oh, damn.
Keep up with the pace.
We love her, but damn.
Every dance floor that I ever did be you. Oh, I can't change the world. No, I can't change the world. If you give me your heart, girl, I may never get it back. If you say I'm Titanic sinking down. Oh, I can't change the world. No, I can't change that. If you give me your heart, girl, well, I'll never take it back. You said you never smile again, roll over your road. Just look at that. I finally found something that I do.
Alright, there you go guys, coming up here rock star. Look at that, walking like a real rock star. That's how Johnny Cash used to walk.
You know, I'm an old man. Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. I'm going to Jackson. I'm gonna mess it around. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Look out, Jackson Town. I'll move into that city. People gonna scoop and bow. All of them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. You turn loose of my coat. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson.
With my hands on.
I'll be dancing on the phone. Down in town to get a tail touch.
I can't see you anymore.
Jenny won't give us a drink. We done drank 15 drinks.
A piece.
A piece.
A piece.
We drank 15 drinks apiece. I think Carnival,
Let's have a drink on mine.
we only drink half of hers. I mean, God dang. That's right, guys and gals. It's crazy up on this big old boat. Carnival Conquest, day number 2. You know, we had a fun day at sea, but yeah, it was a fun day at sea. We've been partying all day long. You know, they got all kinds of stuff on this big old boat. So, hey, just do what you gotta do. Make it fun like you want to make it fun. That's right. That's Here we are standing in line for the pizza. I mean, you know, late night pizza is your best friend. I mean, I'm telling you, pizza's the best.